Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me for this period of rest and reflection. Today, we will gently walk through the comforting words of Psalm 41, allowing its message of grace, healing, and divine care to wash over us. Find a comfortable position, whether you are sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest gently in your lap or by your side. Close your eyes if that feels right for you, or soften your gaze. Let's begin by bringing our awareness to our breath. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, release any tension you might be holding in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Inhale deeply, drawing in peace and calm. Exhale slowly, letting go of the worries and busyness of your day. One more time, a deep breath in, and a long, slow breath out. Allow your body to become heavy and relaxed, sinking into the support beneath you. Feel the gentle, natural rhythm of your breath, your anchor to this present moment. Now, let's turn our hearts toward the opening words of Psalm 41. Blessed is the one who has regard for the weak. The Lord delivers them in times of trouble. The Lord protects and preserves them. They are counted blessed in the land. He does not give them over to the desire of their foes. Let these words settle in your mind. Blessed is the one who has regard for the weak. Think about a time you showed kindness to someone in need. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. Perhaps it was a listening ear, a gentle word, or a small act of service. Feel the warmth of that memory, the quiet joy that comes from compassion. This verse reminds us that kindness is a blessing, not just for the receiver, but for the giver. It connects us to a divine flow of grace. As you breathe, imagine that same grace flowing back to you, a promise of deliverance in your own times of trouble. You are seen, you are known, and your acts of love, no matter how small, ripple outward and return to you as protection and preservation. Let's continue to the next part of the psalm. The Lord sustains them on their sickbed, and from their bed of illness you restore them. Perhaps you are navigating a period of illness right now, whether in body, mind, or spirit.
Or maybe you are caring for someone who is. This verse is a tender whisper of hope. Picture a gentle, caring hand supporting you, sustaining you. Visualize a comforting presence right there with you, offering strength when you feel weak. From their bed of illness, you restore them. This is a promise of restoration. It may not always be an instant, miraculous cure, but a gradual, steady healing. A restoration of strength, of peace, of hope. Breathe into that promise. With each inhale, draw in healing energy. With each exhale, release the fatigue, the discomfort, the worry. Trust in the process of restoration, knowing you are being sustained, held, and cared for in your vulnerability.
Now, the psalmist expresses a moment of deep honesty. I said, "Have mercy on me, Lord. Heal me, for I have sinned against you. My enemies say of me in malice, 'When will he die and his name perish?' When one of them comes to see me, he speaks falsely, while his heart gathers slander. Then he goes out and spreads it around." Here, we encounter the raw pain of human experience. The psalmist feels the weight of personal failings and the sting of betrayal. We've all been there. We've all felt the pain of being misunderstood, judged, or spoken of unkindly. This psalm gives us permission to be honest about our hurt. It's okay to acknowledge the pain. It's okay to cry out for mercy and healing. Take a moment to acknowledge any hurts you might be carrying. You don't need to dwell on them, but simply recognize them without judgment. And then, just as the psalmist did, turn toward the source of all healing. Whisper in your heart, "Have mercy on me, heal me." Imagine handing over these burdens, these hurts, this pain to a power far greater than yourself. Feel the lightness that comes from releasing what you were never meant to carry alone. The psalmist continues, feeling the deep wound of betrayal from a close friend. "Even my close friend, someone I trusted, one who shared my bread, has turned against me." This is one of the deepest pains we can experience, the betrayal of trust. If this resonates with you, allow yourself a moment of compassion. It's a profound wound. But notice, even in this place of deep hurt, the psalmist is still speaking, still praying, still connected to hope. The pain does not have the final word. Your story is not defined by those who have hurt you. Breathe in strength. Breathe out the residue of that pain. You can acknowledge the reality of the wound while also affirming your own worth and resilience. You are more than your hurt. You are more than the betrayals you have faced. Your capacity for trust and love can be restored. And now,
listen to the turning point, the beautiful shift in perspective. But may you have mercy on me, Lord. Raise me up. I know that you are pleased with me, for my enemy does not triumph over me. Because of my integrity, you uphold me and set me in your presence forever. Feel the hope rising in these words. Raise me up. This is a prayer for upliftment, for elevation above the conflict and the pain. Imagine being gently lifted up, out of the mire of despair and onto solid ground. The psalmist finds confidence not in the absence of enemies, but in the presence of God. I know that you are pleased with me. Let that sink in. Not because you are perfect, but simply because you are. You are held. You are valued. Because of my integrity, you uphold me. Integrity here means wholeness, completeness. Even when you feel broken, you are held together by a divine strength. You are upheld. Feel that support right now, a foundation beneath you that cannot be shaken. You are set in a presence of eternal love and acceptance forever. We arrive at the final, resounding note of praise. Praise be to the Lord, the God of Israel, from everlasting to everlasting. Amen and amen. After the journey through weakness, sickness, betrayal, and pain, the psalm concludes with pure, unshakable praise. It's a declaration of faith that endures through all circumstances. Let this spirit of gratitude fill your heart. Despite the challenges, despite the struggles, there is still so much to be thankful for. Think of one small thing you are grateful for right now. The air in your lungs, the quiet of this moment, the strength that has brought you this far. Let that gratitude bubble up within you, a fountain of praise. From everlasting to everlasting. This is a love, a presence, a peace that has no beginning and no end. It was with you before your struggles began. It is with you now, and it will be with you long after they have passed. Let's seal our time together with that affirmation. Amen and amen. So be it. As we bring this meditation to a close, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently stretch your arms or neck if it feels good. When you are ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace, restoration, and divine presence with you into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for sharing this time with me. If you found this meditation helpful, I would be so grateful if you would like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. May you be blessed and upheld.